I was gifted this journal for an honest review. Today we're reviewing a fun and creative gift idea, the DIY journal kit. This set is perfect for tweens and teens who love to express themselves through writing, art, and crafts. This journal kit includes a diary that has a small combination lock on the front. One nice feature is that the code can be changed. This helps keep their thoughts and secrets safe. The kit also comes with fun stickers, decorative tapes, and colorful pens to personalize the pages. It's designed to inspire creativity and make journaling an enjoyable experience. Whether used for writing, doodling, or creating art, this kit provides everything needed to let their imagination run wild. It encourages self expression, helps develop writing skills, and provides a fun way to capture memories. Plus, with all the included supplies, it's perfect for those just starting their journaling journey. I found this to be a great gift idea. It's a fun gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It's not your run of the mill toy, and it's something that can be personalized and used time and time again. Overall, this DIY journal kit is a fantastic way to explore creativity and enjoy the art of journaling with its cute diary, fun stickers, and colorful pens. This kit is sure to be a hit for any tween or teen who loves to doodle, write, or craft.